Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get keys for your hosting on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So now, after that you have logged in into your account and that you have already be a guest or took a trip on somewhere, we need to go to the profile and then go to trips, and then you are going to click on the trip that you have just reserved. After that, you are going to search for the check-in instruction here in the reservation details, and then you will find the check-in instruction and how to get the keys, because for each host can have a different way to get your keys for your trip. You can have like a self check-in by having the key, or the house can have a smart lock, or you need to go or meet some person like a door person, etc. So basically all you need to do now is to go to the reservation details and go for the check-in instruction, and then you will know how to get your keys from your host on Airbnb. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.